day and age, every store has good products and the latest technology. However, to give a good customer experience, the best opportunity is when our store staff interacts with the customer. The customer should feel like coming back to the Titan Eye Plus store with his family, friends, children, and he should feel at home. That is what customer experience is all about. Our business is a healthcare business which involves a very important organ called eye, and hence it's a very personal thing to make the customer feel very happy and comfortable and want to come back to the same store staff again and again. The simplest way to do this is to practice the 12 moments of truth with each and every customer that walks into the store, and you will build happy, loyal customers.
Yeah, hello. 1 minute. Huh?
See, I collected the spectacles 2 days ago.
Okay.
It's hurting me over here. Can you just check? So painful.
Okay.
Leaving a headache for me.
What is the problem? Hello? Hey, I'll call you back, man. I'll call you back. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, I know. I'll call you back. Huh? Bye. Yeah, you're telling something.
It's painful for me.
Okay. Is a head paining or a frame? Oh, let me check. Please come. Oh, say slightly bend is there.
Slowly here. What are you doing?
No, I'll correct it. I know. Yeah, now it's okay. You can use it.
No. Very bad. It's hurting me over here also.
Yeah, ma'am. I think you're using for the first time. Use it.
Have any person who can correct it? Who can check the alignment?
No, this is what actually my technician also will do. This is correct actually. You can take it.
See, it is not seating properly. Can't you see?
No, you keep it like this. Now it seems fine. It's fine.
This is ridiculous here. What kind of a service is this? I'll never come back to that mansion.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Okay, please come on, please come. Sit down. Can I have this, ma'am?
It's so painful when you wear it.
Okay. Where it is playing, ma'am? Fine. Is the vision is okay?
Yeah, I think it's fine. Can you check it?
Sure, ma'am. Just wear it. Let me see. Would you like to have a glass of water?
See, when I wear it over here.
Can you please pull off your hair, ma'am? Yeah, I will do it, ma'am. We'll do it. Please
How
wait,
long will
ma'am.
it take?
Like 5-10 minutes of time. Please wait.
Please check.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Fine. Just try for a day or two. In case of any complaints, please get back to us. How is the vision wise? Sure. Fine. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Good at you, ma'am. Thanks,
Very
ma'am.
good, yeah?
Thanks, ma'am.
What is a customer to us?
Thank you, ma'am.
Customer is the reason for our existence. So it is important that we take care of our customers as how we would take care of our own guests in the house. There is a famous quote that Atiti Devo Bhava. So any customer who walks into our store, we need to treat them as our own guests, make them feel comfortable, and give them what is it that they require. Okay. We are in a business providing eye health to our customers, so it is very important that we understand the lifestyle of the customer, we understand what is the requirement, and we also understand the needs, and accordingly we give the right product to the customer, which would not only help him look good but also should make him feel that he has got the value for his money. That is more important. A customer who walks into a store should get a feeling that he has got the worth for every penny that he had spent on that particular product in your store. This would make him leave the store as a happy customer, and he would in turn become an ambassador for your store, and he would actually go out and talk to his own friends, relatives, the near and dear ones, and bring in more customers to your store. So this is the sort of experience that we want each and every customer of yours to experience when he comes down to your store.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Chandrika, eyewear consultant. How can I help you?
Yeah, doctor. Actually, I'm looking for frames.
Okay.
Can you please,
This way, sir. Please come. These are all the frames, so you can pick whatever you like. Excuse me, I have a call, sir. Hello?
What?
Hi, how are you? What time? Okay, what time you want me to meet you? Where will we go? We'll go to MG Road. MG Road? Okay. Just another customer. 1 minute. 1 minute. 2:30 I can't come here. Then? What to do?
This is not a service what I expected.
Okay, okay.
You can't complain.
2:30? 2:30 I can't come here. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Chandrika, eyewear consultant. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. Actually, I'm looking for frames. So
Okay.
Please, can you show some frames?
Sure, sir. This way, sir. So this is the first time you're wearing glasses?
Yeah, this is the first
Spectacles. This is stainless steel frame with the shell covering. You could just try this one, sir.
Can I try?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Is it looking good?
Yeah, it really looks good.
Can you see some more frames?
This is a combination of metal and shell. You can try this one, sir. You got a call? Sir, excuse me for a moment, please. I have a very important call which I need to attend. My colleague Sujita will help you out in selecting the frame. Sujita, help him out with it.
Good morning, sir. I am Ashish, your style consultant. How may I help you?
I'm looking for some Nikes collection.
Sure, sir. Please this way, sir. We have our home brand fast track sunglasses. We start from 695 onwards. Please try with this, sir. This is having good facial wrap.
Show something nice frame.
Sure, sir. We have some international sunglasses on that way, sir. Please come.
Come, Nitin.
Sure, sir.
Ray-Ban, huh?
Yes, sir.
It's too big. Show something small which covers my.
Sure, sir. This is the sunglass which will be smaller size.
How's this?
It's looking nice, sir. Actually, according to your face shape, this sunglass is suiting out good, sir. It will be having good facial wrap. It will be having UV protection also, sir.
How much is costing?
This is 6,590, sir. It's an international brand, Ray-Ban.
Anyway, I just like this. I'll come and go away this weekend.
Sure, sir. Also, we having a zero free eye testing, sir. Our staffs are trained from this Shankar Netralaya. Would like to have it, sir?
Yeah, but no, we are rushing actually. Yeah, we are rushing.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Have a nice day. Please come, sir.
Customer service. It's a big world for customers and it's a small world for us who we provide service to. Service is all about experience and experience matters a lot. Whoever you are, whatever kind of customer you are, give the service that is required to the customers, which is not judgmental, being with the customer, helping the customer to choose the suitable products for the customer so that they are with us not only now but forever.
Mrs. Chandrika, please come for the eye test, ma'am. Ma'am, you can meet our optometrist. She's been trained from Shankar Netralaya and she's got 4 years of experience. Ma'am, she's Chandrika.
Titan always believes in people first. And so all the staff in Titan Eye Plus are trained through Shankari Nethralaya to give the best of service to their customers.
I'm sorry to keep you waiting, ma'am. May I know the reason for your visit here?
Actually, I'm using contact lenses. It's been a year now. I wanted to weigh out the contact lenses.
Okay, I'll help you out, ma'am. I'll just wash my hands and gloves. Please be seated. These are outdoor factories. We'll check your distance parameters. Sure. Please place your chin on this. And the chin rest. Are you comfortable, ma'am?
Yes, I'm comfortable.
There is a point for increasing the palm, and I am suggesting to go for the SL comfort lenses as what you are using right now.
Okay, fine.
This is your increased prescription plan. Please have this with you. And your lens will be ready by tomorrow evening. Sure. Sure. Please come on. Jacob, this is the prescription I suggested for us. SL comfort lens will be ready by tomorrow evening. Madam will help you in getting the addresses for you. Sure. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
This way, ma'am. Please sit down, ma'am.
Customer service is a provision of service to be given to customer before and after the purchase. Customer service is a series of integrated which needs to be given to a customer in terms of product or service to meet his expectation. That's where the Titan stands.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
I'm Christopher. How can I help you?
Yeah, I'm looking for some spec actually.
Please come, sir. Do you have a prescription with you?
Yes.
Can I have a look? Oh yeah. Please come, sir. See, these are all Titan frames. They are all full frames. And these are, we have a shell frames and supra frames mixed. We have some rimless frames there. Do you have any specific need or model?
Yeah, I'm looking for something rimless.
Rimless, please come, sir, please come. See, these are all titanium material. So just have a look, I'll join in 2-3 minutes. Good afternoon to you, sir.
Yeah.
I'm Christopher, can I help you?
New frame, new prescription.
Please come, sir, please
Do you
come.
have a testing facility?
Yes, sir, we do have. Would you like to get your eyes checked?
Yes, I would like to.
Please come, sit down. So meanwhile, she's gone for lunch. I'll just find out how long it will take her to reach us.
No problem, I'll wait.
Sure. Can you please fill in this detail for me? Your name, your address, contact number and your age. Good afternoon to you, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Please sit down, ma'am. She's gone for lunch. Just give me a minute. I'll just find out, ma'am. Give me a minute. Please sit down. Hello? Yeah. Are you coming? It will take another couple of minutes. There's another customer also. Can you please come? Yeah, sure. Oh, huh? There's another customer also. Please come. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, bye. 2 minutes. Hardly 2 minutes. Yeah. Hi. There's one customer for contact lenses. There's another customer. Sure. There's another customer who's for progressive lenses. Please come. So she is our style consultant by the name Sujita. She'll help you further for the progressive lenses. When she has come, she's just wearing the code. She'll be there.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Anupama, the optometrist here. Yeah. You're waiting for a
Come here for my contact lenses.
Sure, ma'am. I'm going to help you. Please come to the clinic, ma'am.
Sure.
This way, ma'am.
See, this two I like. Tell me which is good.
This is also good frame. So this is a titanium frame, very light and they were very strong frame too.
In this actually I like this more.
This is a contemporary which is a little colorful frame. It's a shell material which will not leave any marks.
Then I'll go for this. Okay.
Sure, sir. Please come. I'll help you and I'll explain about the lenses.
Sure.
Please come. Sit down, sir.
What is customer service to me? Customer service is to be treated like a queen. And that's the feeling I get when I walk into a Titan Eye Plus store. The great feeling at this store is the people come up and greet you with a warm smile. There's eye contact. They make you comfortable at home. It's as if I'm shopping in a 5-star luxury hotel. And this is the feeling I take back with me and I share with all my friends. Titan Eye Plus stores bring about this extraordinary service. And how has this come about possible? Because of what we have done at MindSkills, holding and partnering with Titan Eye Plus in our trainings by bringing about this extraordinary service. Role plays, case studies, and this practice has led to this phenomenal change in Titan Eye Plus. with Mind Skills.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Jacob. How can I help you? Sure, this way. So, yes, ma'am, we have Mont Blanc here and Daniel Swarovski, Tagore. Yes. So, this is the latest collection of Mont Blanc. Try them and see, sir.
Just give us something which is very trendy.
Sure, ma'am.
How does it look? Go for slightly smaller. Yeah. Something which
Sure,
is
this one,
colorful
sir.
and all.
What is so much flexible?
So, these are flexible ones, sir. Very lightweight also. Yes, sir.
No, I didn't like it. No.
So, try this one, sir.
Just try this, it should be fine. Yeah, this looks
When I also like it.
Yeah, this is. So, we'll build this one, sir.
Yes.
So, please come. Please be seated. Now, how about some sunglasses for you, ma'am? So, can you please fill up this data? Ma'am, these are our latest collection, ma'am. Just try them and see.
This looks so huge on me.
Try this one, ma'am. More meadow.
Something in brown.
Sure. This from.
How is it?
Try something black.
Try this black. The same one in black color.
How is it? This should be fine. I'll take this.
Sure. And please come this way. Please be seated, ma'am. So, would you be paying by cash or by card, sir?
We buy only frame.
Yeah, fine.
We take only frame.
Fine, sir. Would you be paying by cash or card?
Do you accept card?
Yes. So it's 20,000, sir.
What's the price for the card?
This is 15,000, sir. Sorry, this is 15,000. This is 5,000.
Fine.
Harish, can you please kindly fill this one? Yes. Sir. One second, the data should. So your card, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, ma'am, it's through. Sir, ma'am, your sunglasses.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, it's done.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.